In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use predecessors in Wrike. Predecessors are essential for creating dependencies between tasks, and they help you manage and understand the sequence of your projects better. So let's dive in and learn how to set them up effectively. First, head over to wrike.com and log in using your email in the upper right corner. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the project dashboard. Now it's time to locate the task you're interested in. Go to the table where your tasks are listed, and you'll notice a column labeled Predecessors. If you don't see this column, don't worry. Simply click on the gear icon located at the upper left hand corner of your table. This opens up a menu where you can customize what columns are displayed. Check the box next to Predecessors to make sure it's visible. After ensuring the Predecessors column is visible, double click it next to the specific task you want to work on. This is where you'll start linking your tasks. The key here is to find the task that should logically precede the task you selected. Essentially, you're looking to establish a sequence where one task must be finished or begun in relation to another. Once you have identified the task that needs to be linked as a predecessor, take note of its row number. Then move to your original task in the table. You'll need to enter the row number of the predecessor task, and this is followed by a dependency type to describe the relationship. Now let's talk about the different types of dependencies you can create. One common type is the finish to start dependency, abbreviated as FS. In this relationship, task A must be finished before task B can start. If you want to create a start to start dependency, SS, it means both tasks can begin at the same time, providing another layer of flexibility. There's also the finish to finish dependency, noted as FF, where task A and task B both need to be completed simultaneously. Lastly, we have the start to finish dependency, SF, where the start of task A dictates the finish of task B. After entering your dependency type, press enter on your keyboard to save it. This step finalizes the relationship, and Wrike will update your project timeline accordingly, reflecting the newly created task order. And that's how you use predecessors in Wrike to organize your projects. It's a small step with a significant impact, providing clarity and enhancing project management efficiency. Wrike's predecessor feature helps you manage tasks in a way that aligns with your project goals, ensuring everything happens in the right order. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy organizing.